Fantastic. Raheem and Audiel. One Audiel go like him a wicked boy. Let me see it. Nice. Difficult instrument, it seems like, the saxophone. All right. So this morning, Sim and I were talking about wine being made from other products besides grapes. Well, I didn't know it was possible. I think wine is just grapes. Z's Wines is the brainchild of Zenora White and has been the talk of the town in St. Elizabeth for many years, I'm told. The managing director is Donahue Lee, and he's right beside me. Morning, Bridgin.
Morning.
So it's not just grape?
No, grapes are almost synonymous with wines, but no, anything can make wine. Any fruit, any herb can make a wine. Yep.
Any herb can make a wine?
Yeah, like any herb.
So you have herb wine?
Yeah, you do. Actually, you do.
Oh, me like that. The other question I asked Simone this morning, we said organic wine. So what does that mean in this sense when you say organic wines?
Okay, well, an organic wine is a wine that, well, in the wine industry, we have compounds and chemicals that are used in the refining of the wines, conditioning, color, fragrances, all that stuff. An organic wine, however, it excludes all of those stuff. So if they do have flavorings, they are totally natural. The plant or the fruit that is the source of the wine, it's usually highly controlled. So they make sure that you don't have fertilizers to the plants and you don't have pesticides and all of that stuff.
Okay.
So that's the whole organic
I see
side.
banana wine, I see moringa, which is actually the only kind of tea I drink is moringa.
Yeah.
This would have been tested by Bureau of Standards and everything. So
yes. The Bureau of Standards have been very instrumental and key in getting us to this point. We're from South St. Elizabeth, and they have been like there for us from day one.
And
getting
they do
us
what?
standardized.
They did what? You went there with the plan or the business and said, well,
these wines were originally done out of my mom's kitchen from the house, really. You know, Bureau of Standard came in, they assigned us an officer, he came by, got us standardized, we did testing, and this is where we are now.
Yep. How much alcohol content?
Alcohol is 12%.
In every single?
Yes, all have 12%. They're fermented naturally, though.
Fermented naturally,
right.
Which would mean what, sir?
Fermented naturally meaning we don't fortify our wines. We don't add, say, ethanol through rum or vodka or gin to the liquid to give it alcohol. The moringa plant has produced 12%, the cocoa has produced 12%, and the banana has produced 12%.
The plant produces the alcohol?
Yes, the actual fruit or herb produces that 12%. Yes, that's the...
Daniel, you know, I learned plenty of things. So the plant produces alcohol?
Yes.
So if me eat pizza tree, you know, me drunk?
No, it's not that mechanism. It's more along the lines of fermentation, you know.
Okay, I didn't know that. I didn't know that at all. So basically you could make wine from anything? Yeah,
it's possible to make organic compounds can be broken down into wines. You know, it's as simple as that.
But they say drink responsibly.
Yeah.
Could this wine do the same if you don't drink responsibly, and you should? In other words, can this wine get you drunk?
Yeah, it can. I mean, my tolerance for alcohol is, ironically, it's low. I don't tolerate alcohol much, so I would drink, and I have to be careful. You know, it's 12%. It's more alcohol than a lot of beverages out there. You know?
Wow, interesting.
Yeah.
What other kinds of wine do you have? Again, you have banana and moringa here. That's banana too. This is what? This is cocoa? Right. Cocoa Gold?
So this is a very special product to us because...
This one here?
Yes.
The cocoa? Why?
It's my favorite, and it's special because it was done in collaboration with another brand called Cavell's Chocolate. Mrs. Cavell-Chuck, we met through a mutual friend, you know, Mile, and we got together.
Look like you want to up now, right? Eh?
Yeah.
You met through a mutual friend?
Yes.
So you're not married now?
No, she is like, Mrs. Chuck has introduced me to her products, and we took that chocolate and made it into our wine.
Then you look like me just get in trouble. Let me back up on that. So this is chocolate wine?
Yes, it's a chocolate wine.
Fantastic.
It's a chocolate wine.
So chocolate, banana, moringa, what else?
We have done over 52 different wines made from local stuff. Things like noni, guinea hen weed, peppermint, pomegranate, neem, mangoes,
Wow.
jimbilin,
And it has the taste of the fruit, like that when it tastes like banana.
Yes, it really has to taste like banana because it's a direct derivative of the plant. It's like it has all the flavors. They're all natural. We don't add or alter that kind of.
This is fantastic.
You know, so it's yeah.
This is fantastic.
It will.
I'm learning so much. So cocoa. Oh, this is a cocoa, the chocolate one too.
Yeah.
Moringa and stuff. Fantastic. Any other ideas you're coming up with? It's just wine that you make. You don't make rum and all them stuff. It's just wine.
Well, presently we have a line of wines, and we do make other stuff like Z's does make jerk seasoning and ketchups, mango ketchup and strawberry ketchup.
You make mango?
We make the ketchup from the mango.
Say we make the mango.
Yeah.
This is fantastic. And where is it sold? Is it in the supermarkets, or you sell from your own place, or what?
We supply a small niche in St. Elizabeth, and we are slowly expanding. But in terms of the wines, we have an outlet now for the first time in Kingston. It's at Dub Club.
Oh, which is up the...
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Skyline Drive.
Music thing.
Yes, yes.
That's what, a couple of weeks now?
Yes, a couple of weeks. Thanks to Mr. Gabri, he has allowed us to bring our products here.
Mr. Gabri Selassie.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
he has been very welcoming to this product, you know.
Yeah, man.
And we give thanks for that.
That is fantastic.
Yeah.
All right. How much like you sell this one?
So that's the 500 ml, and these usually go for $2,000 retail, and the smaller 150 ml goes for 500 retail.
What about the aging? It can last forever. Because sometimes you hear them say they age it for 12 years and 20 years. Only rum you do that with. You do that with wine too?
No, wines can be aged significantly. These wines will outlive all of us, really. 12% alcohol is more than enough to preserve, you know. And wine does get better with age. They usually do. They get smoother.
That is true.
Yeah, it's true.
Wine gets better with age.
Yes, it does. It does.
So me just put it down. I have that whole heap of time left still. So I feel you can put it down for the 40 years. But you can't just put it down and it not going spoil for want of a
No, no, you won't. People ask, do you keep it in the refrigerator? No, you can put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out to your own leisure. It's fine. It's fine.
Love it.
Yeah.
Oh, man, love it. Good to meet you.
Yes, thank you.
Fantastic. Yeah, man. All right. So this is managing director of Z's Wines, Don Hugh Lee. So you can be found online or something?
Yes, we have an Instagram page. It's Z's_wines. Our email address is zsproductsja@gmail.com.
Yeah, and you can see the Z's on his shirt. Yes. Z-E-E-S. Very simple. You have to put in the apostrophe when you go online?
No, you don't. You just write Z's.
All right,
yeah.
there you go. All right, fantastic. So I'm going to start out my boys with some wine after work this evening. When you go home. All right, thanks again to Don Hugh. Let's talk about what it's like growing up Jamaican on the other side of the break. That should be fun. So cool.